Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. This is the 2016 the Ford F-150. Stock number is 7292. Let's take a virtual experience and show you this truck up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition on this 4x4. In a virtual video walkaround, allowing you to see this truck up close and personal, as opposed to static photos. It does have the tow package. And we are going to make our way down the exterior of the driver's side. Warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. You just get more at no extra cost to you from Sunset Ford. Take notice if you got friends or family traveling with you in the rear here. Very comfortable ride. You have, of course, the moonroof. In this case, the sunroof. And let's show you the interior here. Easy access to all the controls. Very comfortable leather. Fully loaded. Low miles, just over 40,000 miles on this truck. For more information on this truck or any others in our inventory, give us a call, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet you and hopefully earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.